Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the controller and host. Charge the controller above 20% or insert fresh batteries and have a USB cable ready. Enable Bluetooth on the PC or plug in the USB cable to the console. Once connected, open the Xbox Accessories app or firmware updater so you can keep the controller responsive while switching inputs. You do this now to prevent the controller from sleeping when you activate keyboard and mouse. It seeds the connection state the system will maintain. Now configure input priorities so the controller stays awake while you use keyboard and mouse. On Windows or console, increase or disable controller idle timeout in Settings or the Xbox Accessories app. This prevents automatic sleep. Use mapping software that binds controller input persistently even when keyboard and mouse are active, and set it to run at startup. Make sure plug-in USB remains selected as the primary device if present. This keeps the controller enumerated and the host from Finish by validating the setup. While typing and using the mouse, press a thumbstick or trigger to confirm the controller stays responsive. If you see disconnects, immediately repair the controller, check for firmware updates, and restart any mapping or input layer apps so they reassert priority. If wireless sleep persists, switch to a wired USB connection as a reliable fallback. One troubleshooting tip: disabling Bluetooth power management in the OS often stops unexpected sleep. Change it, then retest to ensure stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.